Let's say you want to print out something with double A3. So if you print out now, it'll be A3, but we need to split this on half and then print each one of the side out as A3, so you get double the A3. Make sense? See, this line here indicates where the half is. To get there, go on the key, drawing guide, edit guidance, symmetry down here, options, horizontal. Make sure you select the one you need to work on. Then you go on selection, you go on rectangle here, and you basically take from that half and you mark half. See, now half is marked, half is untouched, and now we're gonna hit copy and paste. So you just copied that half. Jump back on the original one, original, selection, rectangle, select the other half. Just make sure you're nice and neat, yeah? Copy and paste again. So now you got upper part, bottom part, and the original. You just deselect the original. Let's start from the bottom. You go on select and you flip 45 degrees, and that's it. And maybe move to the middle. The top part, select 45 degrees, yeah? And you also move to the middle. Now you select both of them. See, you can swipe, you can select both of them, and then you can enlarge them at the same time. Then you just print out, put it together.